Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for some reasons I had to remove my rear bumper. As you can see, he's out. But the fact is I couldn't find any videos about that on YouTube. So that's why I decided to make my own. Okay, enough with the cinematographic stuff, let's get to it. So first of all, you need to remove this 5-8mm bolts. Then, on the rear wheel arches, you have two more 8mm bolts and one plastic clip. You can remove it with a flathead screwdriver. Don't forget this 10mm bolt inside the wheel arch. You have two more plastic clips under the bumper. On the other side, it's the exact same process. Don't forget to disconnect your rear fog lights and your license plate lights as well. Then you're gonna have to push these plastic clips out with two flathead screwdrivers. Yep, I just forgot one plastic clip under the bumper. Let's take care of it. And this bad boy just right there. The bumper still holds in place thanks to this. And that's it, your rear bumper is out. Now you can clean all the mud stuck inside the bumper and pretty much everywhere. So I really hope this video have been helpful. If you liked it and if you want more of this, please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to check my Instagram account, my Facebook page and my brand new merch. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week.